Good morning, children. Today, my topic will be birth control. As you are knowing, increasing population is one of the greatest problem for human society on the earth. The more and more population will increase, the more and more will be the need of their necessity to survive their life. And poverty will be on the earth. We will suffer from poverty, unemployment, lack of food, means we require lack of houses, lack of all the requirements which can make you prosperous. Means one population can create so many hazards in the society for human. So the population should be in such a way so that our prosperity and standard of living could be maintained. And keeping in view of those things, birth control is very necessary for the human society. To control the birth by means the aspect utilizing those means, birth is controlled. The utilizing aspect with the help of which we can control the birth is known as contraception. The way in which the process in which we control the birth of human population is known as contraception. And birth control can be done by preventing pregnancy in the female. We can check our population to avoid pregnancy. And there are some method, utilizing those method we can control the population of human society. First, barrier method. With the help of barrier method, the rubber sheath are utilized by male as well as female to avoid fertilization of meeting of ovum and sperm is avoided by male and female. Those rubber sheaths which are utilized by male is known as condom, and for those of female, diaphragm. With the help of these rubber sheaths, the meeting of ovum and sperm in oviduct is not happen, and pregnancy is avoided by utilizing these rubber sheaths either by male or by female. And utilizing this method, we can avoid the increasing of population, or we can avoid the pregnancy of female. Second, chemical method. In chemical method, the pills, the tablets are used by female. As you are knowing that ovary release ova or ovum, then what is the function of these pills? These pills are capable to prevent the releasing of ova from the ovary. Means ova will not be released from the ovary due to effect of these pills, and if ova will not release, then ultimately the pregnancy can be avoided. Third method is surgical method. Surgical method are applied both for male and female. The surgical method for male which is in progress is known as vasectomy, and for female tubectomy. In vasectomy, we prevent the sperm to come out. It is doing in such a way, the process is doing in such a way so that sperm of male will not come out, and if sperm will not come out, then it will not meet with ovum, and when it will not meet with ovum, then pregnancy will be cancelled. And second will be tubectomy. In tubectomy, the ovum from the ovary will not reach in the oviduct, and when ovum will not come in the oviduct, what will happen? Definitely sperm will alone go in the oviduct, and in absence of ovum, the zygote will not form and pregnancy can be avoided. So it was my topic for today, my dear children. I will give you some question on my topic which you will do in your copy. Thank you.